Here, mathematics 2A board model paper. Okay, this model paper is given by the board. Okay, for 2021 as well as 2022 exams. Okay, so with the given syllabus. Okay, 70% syllabus. Okay, so section A we have all the very short answer type questions. Okay, so out of 10 we have to attempt, we have to answer all the 10 out of 10. Okay, 10 questions. Okay, so each question carries 2 marks. So 10 into 2 is 20 marks. First question, write the multiplicative inverse of the complex number sin theta comma cos theta. Okay, what is given complex number here? Given complex number is, given complex number z is equal to sin theta comma cos theta. Z is equals to sin theta comma cos theta. Okay, so I am writing this as sin theta. Okay, so in place of the comma, so this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Okay, so real part plus I into imaginary part. Okay, that is cos theta. We have to write like that. Okay, either we can write like this or like this. Okay, after that, what he is asking multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay. So what is the formula for multiplicative inverse, ma? Multiplicative.
A by A square plus B square, comma minus B by A square plus B square.
Okay. 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 So how do you find usually multiplicative inverse means it is a 1 by z. 1 by z. Either you can apply the formula directly or otherwise, so just 1 divided by z. Z is nothing but, okay, sin theta plus I cos theta. Sin theta plus I cos theta. Just multiply and divide by the, okay, conjugate, rationalizing here. Okay, that means multiplying and dividing by, okay, sin theta minus I cos theta. Okay, so here also sin theta minus I cos theta multiplied and divided. Okay, so now this is equals to, okay, the numerator is as it is, that is sin theta minus I cos theta whole divided by a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square sin square theta minus I square cos square theta. Okay, that means sin theta minus I cos theta, sin theta minus I cos theta is as it is, whole divided by, okay, so sin square theta minus I square value is minus 1 into cos square theta. Okay, so that is nothing but sin theta minus I cos theta whole divided by, okay, so minus into minus plus sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So finally what we are getting sin theta minus I cos theta is the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number, that is z. Okay, so 1 by z is a multiplicative inverse here. So this is a general method. So this is a better way. Otherwise, okay, whatever we are getting here. So by after rationalizing, we get a square. Okay, in the denominator. Okay, so we get a square plus b square. A square plus b square. So a by a square plus b square and b by a square plus b square. Okay, so that is another one. Okay, so we can use that formula also. Okay, so but this is a better way. Okay, so now we'll go to the next question here. If a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy, find x square plus y square. Okay, so what is given here? So given a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square, I square y square plus 2ab, 2 into a into ib is equal to x plus iy. Okay, so now a square minus, here I square value is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into y square plus 2ab into I, okay, is equal to x plus iy, x plus iy. So that means here a plus ib. Okay, so this is ib, so I square b square it is I square into b square, so minus 1 into b square. Okay, so now a square minus b square it is a square minus b square is a real part plus I into y. So now by comparing, by comparing okay, real and imaginary parts, real and imaginary parts, imaginary parts. Okay, so what we get, what is real part here? A square minus b square is equal to x, and what is y here? Okay, so y is nothing but 2ab, or 2ab is equal to y. What he is asking? He is asking to find the value of, he is asking to find the value of x square plus y square. Okay, so now here we have to find the value of x square plus y square. That means what is x square? X square means a square minus b square whole square, x square plus y square. Y is 2ab and whole square. Okay, so that means a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Okay, so formula we have to apply a square whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square formula. A is nothing but a square, b is nothing but b square. Okay, a square plus b square. Okay, b square whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a square into b square, 2ab. Okay, minus here plus is there, and 2ab whole square, that is 4 into a square b square. Okay, so now this is equals to a square whole square plus b square whole square. I am writing as this 4a square b square minus 2a square b square, that is plus 2a square b square, 2a square b square. Either you can write it a power 4 b power 4 plus 2 into a square b square, or otherwise we can also write it as, okay, so either we can write it as a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 into a square b square, or we can also write it as a plus b whole square formula. It is looking like a plus b whole square. Okay, what is a? A means a square, b means b square, a square plus b square again, 2ab. Okay, so in place of a and b, what we have? A square and b square. Okay, just we can substitute that. Okay, or we can also write it as a square plus b square whole square. Okay, so this is a required solution. Okay, so now if we come to the third question, if x plus x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then find x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Okay, so now what is given here? So given question is x is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta is the given question. Now I am finding a 1 by x. 1 by x is nothing but 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so usually, okay, so frequently we get, okay, we use this 1 by x. Cos theta minus I sin theta is the value of 1 by x here. Okay, so either you can write directly based on the situation, based on the marks, or otherwise, okay, if you want to calculate here, I am calculating. So rationalizing here, cos theta minus I sin theta, multiplying and dividing by cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, so here we are rationalizing. Okay, so now this is equals to numerator cos theta minus I sin theta as this whole divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, cos square theta minus I square sin square theta. Okay, so now this is equal to cos theta minus I sin theta whole divided by cos square theta minus I square value minus 1 into sin square theta. Minus into minus plus. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, the value is 1. Okay, that means this is 1 by x value. Okay, what is the question here now? Okay, so question is x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 is the question. Okay, so finally here we are getting the 1 by x value as cos theta minus I sin theta. Either you can write directly or otherwise, okay, better to simplify here. Okay, so after that what he is asking to find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6. So that means what is x here? Just substitute the x value. X is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta. This is x to the power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. 1 by x value is cos theta minus I sin theta whole to the power 6. Okay, we have the De Moivre's theorem. Okay, De Moivre's theorem is very simple. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n. Okay, whenever we have the power n, so that power n just we write in front of the theta. What is De Moivre's theorem? The De Moivre's theorem is very simple. Just we write the power n in front of the theta. That means cos n theta plus I sin n theta. I sin n theta. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so we are going to apply now here. Okay, so if we apply this formula here, okay, so what we get? So cos this power 6, okay, this power 6 we are going to write in front of the theta. Okay, power 6 here and power 6 we have to write here also. Okay, so in this power 6 I am going to write here. This power 6 I am going to write here also. Okay, so that means cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus I into sin 6 theta. Sin 6 theta. Okay. So that means I sin 6 theta gets cancelled. I sin 6 theta gets cancelled. Cos 6 theta plus cos 6 theta, that is 2 cos 6 theta. 2 cos 6 theta. Okay, this is the required solution. X to the power 6 and 1 by x to the power 6 is, okay, answer is. Okay, so now, okay, so if alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then find 1 by alpha comma 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay, so what is given in this question? Okay, so given that alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, so we have the formula for finding the sum of roots and the product of the roots. Sum of roots as well as product of the roots. Okay, so here sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. That means minus b divided by a. Okay, similarly, product of roots is equal to alpha into beta. This is constant by x square coefficient. So that means it is c by a. It is c divided by a. Okay, so now we have to apply these values. Okay, so for finding the required solution. Okay, what he is asking to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay, take LCM here. Alpha into beta is LCM. Okay, so that means we get beta 1 is a beta plus alpha 1 is a alpha plus beta. Okay, already we have the values alpha plus beta or beta plus